Ka Sorkar jela kala ai ke jingmynjur ye kendon na kebentaban pynlong kongsan ha ke bayade ber ke jingtohkit lyngba ka forensik ha ki jaka baja ki kambaman forensic crime scene investigation. Kumbala puidak daka Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita Arhajar Arpulai BNSS kaban bujili ya ka Criminal Procedure Code khatkhandai new pulai CRPC. Habakren shikilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingalang haka khatkhandai trik jiliu U Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uba polling do ula ong baka Sorkar India kala penmi ya ka jingper bena paitba baka BNSS Arhajar Arpulai ka dei ban sedang trekam bujlino haka jaka jongka CRPC nadu ka shitarik unaitung Arhajar Arpusau. Kumta ka longga badan kamban pentrekam ya ka BNSS bat kini ki anya le persyak kambaman kin sedang pentrekam no nadu ka shitarik unaitung ubanwan. Bat nakaliang ka Sorkar jela ka deiban penmi ya ka jing perbinapat ba halor ka jing pentrekam ya ka BNSS Arhajar Arpulai ha ka jaka jong ka CRPC ong ubat pol. Nalor kata menteri pentip ru banakaliang ka kenhur menteri kala airu ka jing menjur ban pynlong kongsan ban pentrekam da ka jing tohkit forensik ha ki jaka bajaki kambaman. Da ka pentrekam ya ka BNSS Arhajar Arpulai kala long ka benta ka badai benle na ka benta ka jela ban pentikna baki start forensik kin let shaki jaka balaja ki kambaman. Kidon bunjat ki kambaman ki ba kham triam ha ka ba ka jimpen saja ka long ban set patok news nem kenti ne palat ong menteri. Kumju ula benrap ba hapo kini ke jing terwa ka bethamai bala IT da ka Directorate of Forensic Science kindon ru ki kali ki banayarap ban Aji Shakri ya ka kenhun tohkit forensik ki bandon habaro ki district headquarter. Ha ka wepat ke benta na kaliang usketri in charge ka tenat kampo ying uba Cyril Dingdo ula ong baka Sorkar jela kala don menta hapadeng ke jing penkre ban penmi syuk-syuk ya ki kam na ka benta ban kentiu ya ka jing klan jongka kenhun ki start forensik ha ka jela.
Cabinet took up the extension of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, that is the BNSS 2023. Extension of this BNSS to Meghalaya by issuance of notification under subsection 2 of section 1 of the BNSS 2023 with effect from 1st July 2024. The issue here is that Government of India has notified that by the 1st of July 2024, the BNSS shall come into force and shall replace the CRPC, and hence the need was that we would by 1st of July switch over to implementing the BNSS. And since these criminal laws are coming into force with effect from 1st of July 2024, the state government is supposed to notify the application of BNSS 2023 to facilitate education of criminal justice. So this matter was considered by Cabinet, and it was cleared since we were supposed to transit into the new arrangement and replacing the CRPC. Guidelines for compulsory forensic crime scene investigation. Again, this is linked to the new arrangement, the BNSS, whereby it has become mandatory for the state to ensure that forensic experts visit crime scenes there are certain categories of crime which are of a heinous nature, where the punishment is 7 years of imprisonment and above. Now, the state government, through the Directorate of Forensic Sciences, had submitted a proposal seeking the approval of the cabinet to notify the guidelines for compulsory forensic crime scene investigation. And today, the cabinet considered and approved this proposal. And under this new proposal, we will have mobile vehicles which will serve as forensic science investigation team, which will be available at all district headquarters.
Force of the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, which has made it mandatory that forensics experts should visit crime scenes of heinous crimes where punishment is 7 years or above. So, as per the BNSS, that is the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, which is the act that has replaced the CRPC, the forensic experts have to visit the crime scenes, and hence the government has to come up with guidelines as to how these forensic experts will, do crime scene investigation. So today the cabinet also has approved the guidelines for compulsory forensic crime scene investigation that is required as per the law for the state government to notify, and we have notified it so that when 1st July the act comes into force, the forensic experts are ready to go to the crime scenes as per the law.